Welcome to Positive Atheism English channel. Today I am going to read out you the article on a learning experience by Dr. Kompalli H.S. Sundar, Secretary, Samskar and historian and consultant. Atheist Center at Vijayawada marks a milestone in the social annals of Telugu speaking population. The reasons are not far to seek. While the concept of atheism received a fresh treatment and orientation at the hands of Gora, who inaugurated a new dimension, positive atheism, the application of atheistic outlook forms a significant chapter in the contemporary social history of the two Telugu states, Telangana and Andhra. I had an opportunity to get associated with the social work component of the Atheist Center under the paternal care and leadership of late Dr. Hemlatha Lavanam and late Sri Lavanam. They have been instrumental in shaping my personality, ideas, and work spread over 2 decades. Added, they introduced me to other umbrella organizations of Atheist Center, Gora Abhay Nivas, Ardhik Samata Mandali, and Vasavya Mahila Mandali. Working with late Srimati Maitri, late Sri M. Veeraya, and late Srimati Chennupati Vidya, I could refine some of my social ideas and thoughts. The memory is now permanently etched in my life's routines. I am one of the privileged few to have closely associated myself with the direct descendants and children of revolutionary philosopher Gora and his wife Saraswati. For me, it was like a fairy tale experience. As an academician and historian, I was baffled by the kind of thorough social understanding of the social reformers Gora and Saraswati and Hemlatha Lavanam and Lavanam, which culminated in introduction of new analysis in the academic and historical domains. This was particularly so when late Hemlatha Lavanam and late Lavanam personally discussed with me the implications of their social work and the way they understood the process flow of social reform programs. 3-generation approach, they fondly call this as 3D approach to social reform work, especially when one is fighting against social evils like criminal reform and Jogini reform. The analysis was an eye-opener for many academicians and historians. First generation consists of only victims who can at best be reformed and rehabilitated with partial success. Second generation members need to be monitored, educated in order to tread the accepted norms of social mainstream. Third generation children are free from social tag, the melancholic past, and they need to be highly educated to take up mainstream professions. A careful follow-up and association with 3 generations will positively cap the continuation of social evils. This in-depth analysis of the reformers from Atheist Center had substantially contributed to the academic understanding of the contemporary and modern social reform movements in the country. I had, among all others, the greatest opportunity in trying to understand, imbibe, assimilate, and disseminate the new concept put forth by late Hemlatha Lavanam and late Lavanam. My academic background and application of academic principles to social work have been highly helpful in easily translating the new social ideas of the reformers into some plausible actions. Critics have to say that atheism, positive atheism in particular, remained an inscrutable social formation for a long time in the contemporary society. But I am sure observers and reviewers of contemporary history have to complement the application of a religious and non-sectarian social work principles to all the social action programs initiated by the center. One needs to appreciate that the spirit and social action programs of the members are thoroughly informed by and deeply embedded in their staunch belief in Gora's positive atheism. Posterity positively recollects the contribution and complementary social indulgences of this center. I fondly recollect my association with many of the stalwarts trained by Atheist Center and feel highly grateful to late Hemlatha Lavanam and late Lavanam for making me a part of this social work continuum. The writer is a reputed historian and social work consultant. He recently co-authored and published a book based on his social work experience with late Hemlatha Lavanam and Lavanam. And with this ends the article. We shall meet again in the next episode again. Thank you.
For more videos, please subscribe to this channel Positive Atheism and activate the bell icon. Please download Samaram multi-channel app and watch your favorite channels from your mobile. App app available on Google Play Store and subscribe to the channels.